up, everyone? I want to play a game. The game today is, I'm gonna call Edbassmaster. Ed. You know him, Edbassmaster, Mumbles, Earl, Tequila, all those people. Now, Ed, I know this is unexpected. Let's prank Ed this time. Okay. Watch.
Thank you for calling Edphone. If you know the name of the movie you'd like to see, press 1. Otherwise, please leave a message. Thank you. Hello?
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 Tony?
Who?
Tony?
Wrong number, sorry.
Tony? You just called me, man. Hello? Again.
This is Ed, and that's probably going to happen.
Hello? Tony, why did you hang up, man?
Who?
Why did you hang up?
Who are you looking for?
Me?
Who?
But, do you hear me?
I hear you, and I'm going to hang up if you don't tell me who you are.
Okay, I work for this. I work for YouTube.
You work for you?
Yeah.
Okay, who is it?
Guess what?
What?
Who? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Ed?
Yes, this is Ed.
I want to play a game.
This is the last time. Once I hang up, I'm not answering it again, so if you want to start talking.
Okay, you want to talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay, I like tequila.
Bye.
Hello?
Are you still there? To disconnect.